A spark, an evil machine is born, chrome gleaming like the fire of day. The engine purrs a sign of freedom. There are no roads that cannot be reached. KASZPIR Trike, my second world. I'm speeding again. The asphalt burns beneath. KASZPIR Trike carries me like a storm and smoke. Screws, welds, each of them a dream. Old machines that will cut through the shadow. Not a factory, not cereal junk. Here is the soul, here's the purpose burning. When city lights shine at night, in the reflection of chrome company shimmer, how I know I'm there. When knowledge tastes like asphalt and wind, I'm speeding again. Asphalt burns beneath. KASZPIR Trike carries me like storm and smoke. You didn't stop me anymore. Somewhere on the horizon, my shadow disappears. Let others talk about the luxury of the day. I have my own workshop, that's where the game is born. Metal and fire, the taste of gasoline. This is my life, my own mark. I'm speeding again. Asphalt burns beneath. KASZPIR Trike, freedom in every sheet metal. You didn't stop me anymore, because the engine plays in my veins. KASZPIR Trike to me, not to the machine. Built from passion, from speed, from dream, from the light of day.